started a position at AAOI. We are squarely in the support box at this point, and we are now seeking the completion of this, which I really didn't like the start of this C wave, but I'm going to do this anyway to see where in context we are. We've already extended beyond it, so this is certainly likely the fifth wave of this. We have until around 88 in the support box, and then if we actually have topped in this, and this is not a third wave, my support level is back here at 77, 78. But I don't think that's the case. I think we have more to go because we haven't hit the final targets. We've only hit the 176.8. Excuse me. We've only hit the 176.8 target, which is a third wave target. So I would think that this is the fourth wave and that we have at least to 298 at the 200% target. So getting in around 100, which I did this morning. What did I say I did? I did 102 or 104. I was in 104 because it hit the top of the target box and I wanted to be there. So I only started a 20% position, so very small. I can always bail if things go south and not be hammered. I would wind up losing $20 a share-ish. Really, if we get below 88, I'm going to start questioning things, but I wouldn't be too antsy at that point. If I had like a full position, I'd be like, meh, I'm not going to sleep well at night. But a 20% position, I can let that roll for a little bit until we get to the support level and things start really going south. Then I'll bail. But to me, this looks like a fourth wave. So all is aligned so far. We are getting divergences, even on the 1 hour. Look at that. We need to see it start curling up, though. That would be key to getting us there. So let's look at the 30-minute. 30-minute hasn't curled up yet. 15-minute is starting to. 5-minute, nah. So we'd like to see that to curl up a little bit. We might get a fourth wave in this fifth wave of the C wave, circle C. That'll start the curl, and then we'll get a fifth wave lower down to the bottom of the box, which would then give us a nice divergence and a turn up on the MACD. When you start seeing that move up on the MACD, that's when it starts getting good. And we're starting to see divergence here even on the 4 hour. The daily is sunk, which is a good reset. So I'm not too surprised about that. So it's in uncharted territory, which means that it's due for a bounce as well. But that's not like a great indicator of when. It's not an indicator of when at all, but it's also not a great indicator of like, until we get to the divergences showing up. So waiting till we see some more signs of that. I think we'll get a fourth and a fifth wave of this, and it's going to bring us down to 89, 88. I'll probably add a little bit more there and then see what happens. I might only go to like another 10%, so 30% of a position. Fourth waves can be kind of cruel, so I don't want to be too aggressive. I want to be conservative on this. I don't want to build a position right off the bat, and it's like, well, you were wrong. So where we're wrong, though, would be below that support level, I think. Do I have the 38.2 retrace of this guy? I think I do somewhere here. Oh, yes, I do. That is the 38. Okay, yep. So 38.2 retrace is the bottom of that. So again, that's normally the pullback level, 38.2 retrace of the third wave, which is right where that is. So that's where we are.